My name is Chris Cain, and I'm an endodontist in Nashville, Tennessee. Over my career, I've had the opportunity to use several different types of rotary file systems. While each system offered different benefits, I had not come across a rotary file that I felt completely comfortable with until I started using the Protaper Gold rotary files. There are three main criteria I look for when I evaluate a rotary file. I look for efficiency, consistency, and limitless application. First, I want the files to be efficient. That is, I want the files to effectively and adequately clean and shape the canals in a timely manner while using a limited number of files. The second criteria is consistency. I like for the file to produce predictable and consistent results on every canal that I clean and shape. Finally, and most importantly, I want the files to have limitless application. That means I don't want to feel that I have to limit the way I use my rotary files based on canal anatomy. I will try to illustrate what I'm talking about. This first case demonstrates the efficiency of Protaper Gold. With previous file systems, I would have to use 04 and 06 tapered files along with the Gates Gliddens to attempt to achieve an acceptable result. I found I was using 10 to 12 rotary files and taking more time than I would like to for each case. In this first case, I was able to effectively clean and shape this mandibular molar using just 5 Protaper Gold files. This allowed me to be more efficient for my sake, but especially for my patient's sake. The following two cases, I would like to show what I mean by consistency. With Protaper Gold, I feel that I'm able to consistently create clean and nicely tapered canals on each case that I treat. These cases demonstrate each canal on the maxillary molars have a nice consistent taper that makes obturation go smoothly. The final case shows the limitless application of Protaper Gold. In the past, I've used rotary files where you can feel or hear a click when the file encounters curved or tortuous canal anatomy. Hearing and feeling that click would create anxiety, and I would back off and remove the file for fear of separation. With Protaper Gold, I can say I've never experienced the file was binding or laboring in the canal. The file seems to transition smoothly into the curve and effectively clean and shape the canal. This last case demonstrates in the mesial canal where the canal curves in the mesial distal and buccal lingual planes, and the file smoothly negotiated and cleaned the canal. Having a predictable rotary file like Protaper Gold allows me to focus my attention on the patient and their particular needs. The efficiency, consistency, and limitless application of Protaper Gold makes me feel like I'm at my very best.